All right, so let's get into this problem here. What I have now is 2,728 divided by 124. This sounds like a big leap in logic, but it's not that big of a leap if you have the materials for it. So what I've already done is I've already set up this 2,728. There's 2,728 divided by 124. So there's 100. In Montessori math, the hundreds and the 100,000 and the 100 million and the 100 billion, however far you get with math, they're all, the hundreds are red, right? So we use one of the red skills. So there's 100, two tens, the tens are blue, 20. So it's blue, 20, and then 4 green. I realize on the video on my iPhone, this doesn't look as blue as it does in real life. So just these are blue, these are green. I don't know how to really fix that right now. So, it's what I've got. All right, so we have 2,728 divided by 124. So what I'm going to do is this 1,000 goes with 100. These hundreds are going to go with the tens. And the tens are going to go with the ones. Now what's happened is I've run out of tens. Oh, I have no more tens. But 100 is how many tens? 100 is 10 tens, yes. So I'm going to put that in. I've already counted these out. You usually won't have them counted out like this, but just for the sake of the video to make it quicker, you usually go 1, 2, 3, 4, until you get to 10. But I have 10 counted out here, so I'll just lay them out. I thought I actually messed up, but I didn't. Okay, so there's 10 tens. You want to put them nicer. But if you're doing elementary students, they don't care about how neat it is. So then I'm going to put these tens down here. So that one gets a 10, and this one gets a 10. Okay, I still have another 1,000 here, so that can go here. This can go here, and this can go here. Oh, sorry. Let me do that again, because I didn't show it. This can go with the tens, and this can go with the tens. Then I have to fill this up with tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now I have no more thousands. So this 100 is now going to start to get the hundreds. And then these guys will get the tens. There's 2 of them, so they each get 10 each. And these guys will get the ones. And again, it's always easiest to work off the bottom. See that? Okay. I still have another 100, and I can go for this guy. These are going to get the tens. And these will get the ones. So my actual answer for 2,728 divided by 24, the question is how much does each one get? And here are my ones. So each one gets 22. So the answer is 22. Now you might be like, well, they get 220, but remember, each of these are tens. So 220 divided by 10 is 22. Let's say this gets 2,200, but 2,200, each one of these is 100. So 2,200 divided by 100 is 22. That's a little more than you really have to get into initially until they start to figure this stuff out. Like, you could just tell them that the answer is down here with how many ones they get. How much does each one get? And then as they really understand it, then you can start to explain the rest of it. But the answer for 2,728 divided by 124 is 22. Now this is much harder to come up with. So I'm going to show you how I came up with this math problem. And these are ones that you really want to keep and have in your head as far or on paper somewhere better than your head. So you can understand how I came up with this problem. All right, I'll show you that in a minute.